What's going on, YouTube? Did you miss me? Damn, I ain't spoke to y'all in a minute. Yeah, so like I was saying, yo, what's good though? I ain't spoke to y'all in a minute. I ain't picked up the camera. Well, I've been speaking to some of y'all behind the scenes, back and forth, assisting y'all in building up your brands per se. But your boy been dealing with some death and shit, so that's why I ain't really picked up the camera. But I'm gonna make this quick video for y'all real quick. Uh I got my last chennile patch in, and I've been meaning to show y'all this joint, but like I said, I've been occupied. I'm still occupied, but let me show you this joint. Boom. There it is right there. The vibrant camel, letter D, 8x8 chennile patch. Alright. I'm just gonna bring it in real close, real quick, and let y'all see the details on this bad boy. Alright, so as y'all saw, they pretty much nailed all the color combinations that I asked for. The black embroidery stitching for the letter D, I feel like came out, amazing as well. The sizing is just perfect. I chose 8x8, because I didn't want anything too like real big and bulky. Cause I'm gonna be throwing these joints on some t-shirts too, sweatshirts, hoodies. Y'all know how I do. If you've been following me for a minute, before this video ends, y'all know what I always say. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up. Make sure y'all hit that bell notification so you don't never miss nothing. As a matter of fact, yo, let me loosen up real quick. Yo, y'all mind if I pour a drink real quick? Let me pour me up some Kettle One. Shout out to Kettle One for always holding your boy down. All right, the finest of vodkas out there. And always, please drink responsibly. All right? Let me pour a drink. Shout out to Kettle. Like I was saying, the patches came out, fire. I can't complain. I'm used to this shit by now, y'all. So this is what I expect. Every time I get them, I mean, I ain't gonna front. I be gassed. You know what I'm saying, seeing your creations come to life per se, and they came in bags, bundled. I'm saying like this. All right. So now I know y'all been hitting me up on my Patreon, hitting me up, asking me about you know, price rise, how much they cost, how much they how long, is the lead time, how long does it take for you to get them in hand, and so on and so forth. But yo, it all depends on uh the quantity. It all depends on the quantity, excuse me, that you're buying, and you know the details of the patch. Like, it be questions like that is, they like hard for me to answer for y'all, because I know what I want. I don't know what the hell y'all want. I don't know what y'all gonna ask for. You know what I'm saying? And you get. I always say this, man. It's like you get what you negotiate. You know what I'm saying? So like it'd be like they might say, 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, 30 days. It all depends, and it depends on the way you want, you know, the patches actually shipped to you, because they could ship by sea or air. That's if you go on the overseas route. You know what I'm saying? But if you more so you want to get some joints made, right here on homeland, uh, it might not take as long. But I'm gonna keep it funky with y'all. Some of these companies that's on homeland, they be hitting you with the flim flam. Like they present like they located in the United States, but they be getting them shits made overseas, upcharging, and then ship them out to you. So hold on real quick. Yeah, so these joints, man, these joints is fire. I can't complain. As y'all saw, they do come with the adhesive back, so you can iron them joints on or heat press them on, however you want to do it, or sew them on. I sew my joints on, and the iron on is just like a backup per se. Uh, like let's say I wanted to go somewhere real quick, and I wanted to make like a shirt or whatever, a hoodie, and I ain't really have time to sew it up myself. I ain't really have time to bring it to my tailor. I just press it up real quick. Same. It's still gonna look the same. The shit never gonna come off. All right. So I haven't even named these joints yet, man. My mind just being like in a different place. I haven't even named it yet. But let me uh let me show y'all what this joint look like on a hoodie. And y'all let me know. Leave in the comments below if y'all like how it look on a hoodie. Alright? Hold on. I personally feel like the joint came out hard. You know what I'm saying? I got the strings tied up right now. Let me just move the mic. Yeah, so the colors is real vibrant, man. You could throw this patch on like a pink hoodie, black hoodie, whatever. I'm gonna hit y'all with some different flavors. I'll throw them up on my website too if y'all want to cop. Uh, I threw the leather patch on, the right wrist. Y'all know how I do, man. You gotta spice. You know what I'm saying? Spice this joint up real quick. Something real flavorful where you can wear it with like a snapback, a 5 panel, or you could throw like a fresh like fly fedora on with this joint, for the older, classy individuals. Throw some nice smooth frames on, man, to step out. You know what I'm saying? Like real versatile. So you could dress this joint up, dress it down, whether it's on a hoodie, a crew neck, t-shirt, sweatshirt, whatever. You feel me? That leather patch just throw, extra added level of elegance on this joint. All right, so leave it, in the comments below. What y'all think I should name this joint, man? you know, I'm feeling this joint right now. Like I said, I'm pleased. Manufacturer, always do your boy right. Make sure y'all hit me in the Patreon. I'll let y'all know which manufacturer I use to make this joint. And if you didn't see the beginning process of, when I designed this patch, uh, make sure you check that joint out too. Just so all the newbies that be coming through, they really don't know how I do. You know what I'm saying? They really don't know, my thought process and, what goes into me, actually designing these patches and sending them out to the manufacturers and getting them made. All right. But that's it for this one, y'all. I'm about to go, do something else, sip on a little more something, man, and relax. That's it, y'all. I'm gonna pick y'all back up. I've been designing, a few other things too, so I'll show y'all, in due time. It's about to be summertime or what have you. I got some new fresh fly shorts I'm about to drop. All right, but y'all know, like I always say, like, that don't stop me from still making hoodies and sweatshirts and so on and so forth, because we all live in different parts of the world, different parts of the country. And, somebody always might need a hoodie. Somebody might always need a crew neck sweatshirt, t-shirt, what have you. You know what I'm saying? We're not all from the same area, so we got to represent for everybody, baby. And I leave my shit up on my website all year round. All right? I don't follow trends, y'all. Like I always say, my newbies, y'all might not know, but my true bees, y'all know how I do. All right, so till next time, let's get it.
The message is always in the cloth, the colors, the designs, the fit. Basically, pay attention, stay alert, and remember, choose your own path.